Hello YouTube. We're going to make Old El Paso Dorito Nachos. All you need is olives. You need the taco meat with tomatoes, and you just make it with that taco mix from Old El Paso. I'll put a link in the description. Onions, tomato, Old El Paso queso. You can either leave that cold or leave it warm. And then Doritos. The best thing to use is the sweet and tangy barbecue, because you have that sweet and tangy with the taco meat and the cheese. So let's get right to it. Alright YouTube, so we're going to start off with the Doritos. So you just want to place them on your plate. Put as many on as you want. Alright YouTube, so when you have that down there, take your taco meat. Just spread that around. And just put on as much as you like. Alright, so we have the taco meat down there. So take some onions, spread that around, and take some fresh tomato, and put on as much as you like. Then you want to take the olives, spread that around, and look how nice that looks. Alright YouTube, look how pretty that is. And now we're going to use the queso. Like I said, you could warm this or you could put it on cold. So I like to just have it cold. And look at that. You can put on as much as you want. And there it is, YouTube. And there you have it on YouTube, your Old El Paso Dorito Nachos. Look how beautiful that is. Please hit the like, subscribe, and there's so many more recipes to come. Even more Dorito and Cheeto recipes.